and welcome back to Divine Legos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this puzzle cube that I came up with. So this puzzle cube has 6 different parts. Each one has a different color. You can do these any colors that you want. I would recommend doing them all in different colors. So as we take this apart, we have these 6 parts. I'm going to show you how to do all 6 of them. Here are the parts you're going to need for the first piece of the puzzle. You're going to need a 1x4 tile, a 1x2 tile, a 1x1 tile, a 2x2 tile, 2 1x4 plates, a 1x3 plate, 3 1x1 plates, and 4 1x2 plates. So to start out, you're going to want to place the main frame of the piece. The main frame of the piece is like this. A H-looking piece with a little jutting out at the end. Now you're going to want to connect these pieces up with the other pieces that you've had. Just like that. Now you're going to want to place all of the tiles and stuff. Make sure they cover the entire top of the piece so that it looks nice. There you have it. That is the first piece completed. The pieces you're going to need for the next pieces of puzzles. You're going to need a 1x1 tile, 2 1x2 tiles, a 1x4 tile, 2 1x2 plates, 2 1x1 plates, 2 1x4 plates, and one 2x2 plate. So again, it's pretty simple. Just make the main frame of the piece you're gonna make, which is this. Then layer it so that it all connects. And then finally, add the tiles. Then you have another piece of the puzzle. The pieces you're going to need for the third piece of the puzzle. You're going to need 2 1x1 tiles, a 1x4 tile, 2 1x2 tiles, 3 1x1 plates, a 1x2 plate, 2 1x4 plates, a 2x2 plate, and an angle plate. Again, it's very simple to make these. You just need to do layering. So the first layer of this one should look like this. Kind of like a little animal. Now, layering time. And finally, time to add the tiles. Pieces you're going to need for the fourth piece of the puzzle. You're going to need 2 angled tiles, a 1x1 tile, a 1x2 tile, 2 1x1 plates, 3 1x2 plates, a 2x2 plate, and 2 angled plates. So, how was your guys' day? Well, it's good for me, but we have to do some layering. Yay, it's time to layer. So here's what your third piece of the puzzle should look like. Just like that. Now it's time to do it again. Wait a minute. That's not how you layer it. Okay, this is how you do it. I'm sorry, guys. This is how you're supposed to do it so it will go stable. Now it's time to add the second layer. I made a mistake there, sorry. But it's okay, everybody makes mistakes. Okay, finally add the tiles and blah 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 blah. Here's your fourth piece of the puzzle. Let's make another. The pieces you're gonna need for the fifth piece of the puzzle. You're gonna need 3 1x1 tiles, a 1x2 tile, a 2x2 tile, 4 1x2 plates, 3 1x1 plates, an angled plate, and a 2x2 plate. Layering time! Yay. Sounds like a game show. It's like, it's time to layer. Layer it so that will be stable when you put it together. Yay. That'd be a fun game show. Not. Because this is definitely fun. Putting together layers and stuff. Whew, yeah, okay. So next, the tiles. Woot. Yay. Fun. Yay. Yay, you got it. Well, I got it, but maybe you didn't, but I definitely did. If you didn't get it, then just rewind it. So, next, we're on to the sixth and last piece of the puzzle. Pieces you're gonna need for this last piece of the puzzle. You're going to need 2 1x1 tiles, a 1x2 tile, a 1x4 tile, 2 1x1 tiles, 5 1x2 tiles, and a 1x4 tile. Layering time. Yay. Woo. Wee. So fun. Ha ha. Ho ho ho. He. He. Ha. Okay, and finally, tiles. Yay. 6 pieces of puzzle done. Now you can make the cube. But we're not going to do that today because I want you to figure it out. And that's basically it for today's video. Now, one thing to note before we go is that I have a Discord channel now, and the link is in the description. So yeah, if you want to have fun and chat and give me ideas, because I have none, then just, yeah, go check out my Discord, links in the description. So yeah, bye. Why are you still here? Get out of my video. Just leave. Leave. Get out of my video.